So today I am going to replace this broken screen with this new screen, and I'm going to use these tools over here. The first thing I'll need to do is power off the device. And I'm going to remove the two tiny screws right here on the bottom. Next, I'm going to use this plunger tool to pry the screen apart. Now it's pretty cracked, so I don't know if I'm going to need to put some packing tape or something, but let's just see how this works. Okay, I was able to get my X-Acto knife under there just enough, and then I'm going to use these little spacer tools to make sure it stays open. Damn it. Try this again. There it goes. It wasn't too hard. Pretty easy. So now there are 3 tiny screws, I don't know if you can see that, in this little metal plate that I'm going to remove. This little metal piece just kind of picks up, and it's got a little lip. And there's 3 little cables. Looks like this one pops up first. Followed by this one. And last but not least, looks like that one right there. So here is the broken screen. I'm just going to reverse the process. before I replace the that metal piece, I'm going to turn it on to see if everything works. Okay, now that I have those 3 screens on, I'm going to carefully put the screen back in place. Looks like there's a couple hooks that it hooks into in the front. So I'm just gonna slowly, carefully work my way down. Don't want to crack the screen. And then the last step is to screw these 2 screws back on.